Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Techie. In this video, I will going to talk about all details about differ functionality in Go. So end of this session, you will come to know how to call differ statement and differ functions. When we call differ statement and function, what is happening behind the scene and what is differ arguments evaluation. So all those details I will explain you with real-time examples. So watch this video till end without skipping. If you are not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon without fail. Then only whenever I upload videos, you will get notification. Otherwise, you will not get it. Now let's check it out the differ functionality by using practical examples. Okay, to write differ statement, you have to use the differ keyword in front of that statement. If you want to write differ function, you have to write differ keyword in front of that function. For example, differ the function name, differ function. So that first line number 6 is the differ statement and line number 7 is the differ function. So when we have to use differ statement or differ function, for example, if you want to execute this statement line number 6, once all the statement within this function execution is completed, then you can go with differ statement. Now let's save it and run this program so that you will understand better. Yeah, as per this program, it's printing hello everyone is printing first. Welcome back to Vanakkam Techie is printing second, and main function execution completed is printing in the last line. Why? Because we have added the statement with deferred keyword. That's what once all the statement within the function execution completed, then this deferred statement is getting executed and printing the value main function execution completed. That's what it's printing hello everyone in the first line and welcome back to Vanakkam Techie in the second line, and in the last line it's printing main function execution completed. So far I have explained the differ functionality with the simple programs. Now let me take real-time scenario and explain you the differ functionality. So I have written code here to create one file and writing Vanakkam Techie string into that file test.txt, and then I am just closing that file. So in between I have added some log statement. So this is a simple program. Let me save and execute this program. Yeah, it's printing the writing content into that file. Then file has been created. It's checking that this file has been closed or not. It's not closed, so closing the file. So then it's saying the file has been closed. So that file test.txt has been created, and within that file, Vanakkam Techie string also inserted into that file test.txt. So it's working fine. There is no problem here. Okay, then why we need to use deferred statement here? Okay, now let me create one panic in this program. Panic is nothing but a error in Golang. For creating panic, I just created two variable I and j, both are integer data type, and then I have added one statement fmd.println I divided by j. Okay, what is the zero value of I and j? So since both are integer data type, the zero value of I and j is 0. If you don't know how to declare variable, what is the zero value of each data type, then you can refer my previous videos. When we execute this statement 0 divided by 0, then it will throw the error saying that divided by 0, right? Okay, let me save this program and execute it. Yeah, it's saying that integer divided by 0. Okay, so it's writing content into that file, but there is no statement saying that it has been closed that file, right? It's created that file, but it did not close that file. This is wrong, right? It should not be the behavior. To handle this scenario, we have to call this close the file function with differ statement. Let me move this statement in that line number 19. Okay. Before that function, I'm using the keyword differ. Now let me execute this program. As per this output, we come to know that we have created a file and writing content into that file. We have closed that file. So even after we got a panic in that program. So in that scenario, we can use differ statement. So far, I have explained the differ functionality with only one differ statement. But in this program, I have added three differ statement, and then I have added another one non-differ statement. Whenever we execute the program, Go runtime will check whether that particular statement is differ statement or not. If it is a differ statement, it will add the differ statement into the stack like this. Also, it will save the values which is required to execute the statement. So in our scenario, we have three differ statement, right? So all the three differ statement will be added into the stack with I value like this. when go runtime will start executing the defer statement, it will pick up the statement from the stack one by one, and then it will execute the statement. Okay, so as per this statement, the I value is 3. So that's what it's printing, that value I value is 3. So after that, it's picking up that next value. So in this statement, I value is 2. That's what it's displaying, I value is 2. After that, it's picking up the value from that stack. So in this statement, what is the I value? 1. That's what it's displaying, I value is 1. So stack is following the LIFO order, right? I mean lost in first output. So what are the values we are pushing into the stack in that lost? We can pull that as a first value. That's what it's displaying, that value from 3 to 1. I hope you people understood how differ is working internally. Here I have given another one example. Okay, in this example I have added one differ statement, and then in the line number 11 I have added one log statement. In that line number 15 I have added another one log statement. So in that line number, what is the value of I? 4, right? So the differ statement will be executed in this end of this main function. So that time, what is the value of I? 4. Now let me run this program and then see the output. So it's printing end of the main function first, and then it's printing end of the main function I value is 4. After that, it's calling the deferred statement. So in the deferred statement, what is the value of I? 1. Why? Because whenever go runtime saving this statement into the stack, it's saving the value which is required to execute this statement. That's what it's printing, the I value is 1, even though the last value of I is 4. I have covered most of the things in this video related to differ. If you have any other comments, please drop your comments in this comment section. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. And if you are not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.